If you struggle with applying false lashes by yourself, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to learn the arc.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alima. If you are new here, welcome. You're gonna love it here. Trust me, you're gonna love it here. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through how to apply false lashes all by yourself. Guys, in my quest to be perfect at applying my false lashes, because I was literally bad at it, I discovered this arc and I thought to myself, why don't I bring that to you guys? You know, I love you, and anything that would make your life easy, that is what I will be bringing to you guys. So you have to watch to the end of this video to discover that arc. Without much further ado, let's just get right into the video.
So guys, you're going to be needing your mascara wand to brush out your natural lashes. You'll be needing false lashes, bonding glue, and a tiny object to just apply the bonding glue on your eyelid. That is exactly what I am doing here. You guys, this arc is super easy and you don't literally need the help of anybody. Just make sure to apply the glue on your eyelid where you know you're gonna apply the lashes directly on. That is where you would put the glue on. So this is the lashes. I'm just going to place it gently on it and press it down. Yeah, you can give it like 5 seconds for the glue to dry up just a bit. Then you apply your lashes just as you are seeing it right now. Can you see? I'm trying to press it down on the bonding glue, and you can also use your hand to press down the lashes with your natural lashes, just like I'm doing right now, so that they all can stick together. Yeah, so look at it. This is the results. Yeah, and if you're feeling like, oh, it's not, sticking together, you can go all over it again with the bonding glue just to fill in those spaces that are, left out. You're going to see the example of that in this other in the other side of my lashes that I'm about to apply just about now. So I'm just repeating the same process on the other side of my eyelid. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Are you going to be trying this anytime soon? Do you even like this process? Me, I find it very easy because each time I apply my bonding glue on my lashes and I apply it directly on my eyelid, it doesn't stick. Like, I'm always battling with it, and when I discovered this, my life has been very, very easy. So that's the reason why I brought this up to you all. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Have you been doing this all along, or you're just hearing about it or seeing it for the first time in this video? Let me know down in the comment section. As you can see now, that space is not so filled up because it's not getting stuck. So I used my hand to press it down so that it can stick together. So voila, we have our lashes. I'm so happy. Anything that simplifies makeup for me is, it touches my heart, and if I'm able to bring it to you all, then it's a bonus. Thank you all for watching. So this is the final look. What do you all think? Very easy. Like, in less than the twinkle of an eye, you're done, basically, without the help of no one. Let me know what you guys think down below.
Was your base, guess I'll save face, yeah. I wanna be red.
Hey guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'm sure you guys learned one or two from this very quick and easy way to apply false lashes. Let me know that in the comment section what you learned, how you've been doing yours, and if you're going to be trying this new method of mine. Let me know that in the comment section, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.